everyone and welcome to this week's vlog.
What are you doing in there? You're under the saddle.
On the Monday I went to get some signs written, some embroidery done. A trip to the post office. Tuesday not much happened with the rain, things got cancelled. And Wednesday Lola had an amazing arena cross country clinic with our sponsored rider Sarah Tompkins.
Lola was flat out before to yesterday.
Again, the week just not really much going on, just a quiet week. And then Sunday, Lola did her first ever novice test and she did really, really well.
Yes, did you see the light? What? No! We did our novice test. She got a 63 and 69, which looks very kind, but still good, still over 60%, so that's really nice. It's not sure if she deserved it, but we came last in both classes, but there's only 3 and then 2, so yeah, really pleased. A lot of work's been cancelled lately because of the rain, well, postponed, so it's a bit rubbish, but time to do more admin work and just relax before the busyness happens again, and we've got a very, very busy next few months. Max!
We're just trimming the brush as we cut a tree down a few months ago in front of the house.
So amazing. Lola's actually flat out.
Oh, that noise still makes me so sad. So our beloved Ginny, who you'll know from printing on site, we sold her and it still feels really weird. Like I feel like she's going to come back. But yeah, my heart is broken. So no driving Lola to competitions anymore. I'll have to drive Margot. Our week of rain has started and I'm off to help Will on the farm with Dad. Drop the pony some hay and then I'll come. Lots of stuff to do tomorrow. Another day, more rain.
Oh, there you are.
Knocking out. Actually, I'm obviously not knocking out because I am wasting time. If you've seen my Instagram story, you'll see that I'm gonna have a podcast morning and just clean up this mess. The girls are out in the school wrecking Dad's fence. And then I have a list as long as my arm of stuff that I've put off for the last 2 months. And some new ideas, some designing stuff. Stu will be after you. Naughty. The water in the school. It's never stayed in the school since we've had it. So good from to a little leg stretch. There was a cat there. Where have you gone? Oh, Jesus Christ. Maggie! You're gonna be stuck now. Come. I'm just dropping a print off for the lady. We were supposed to meet yesterday at the show jumping Bradfords, but obviously it got cancelled due to the weather. It's still raining. I'm sorry I haven't vlogged much, but basically we've just kind of done the horses. I got loads done yesterday, lots of design work, lots of reading my events calendar, a few orders, went to the post office. Just messaged a few people. Yeah, really busy. And then I want to do possibly some flat lays today, which you'll have already seen. Excuse me, you've just been in a field full of grass. You're naughty. Yucky. The schools are looking a bit dry. I've just got one puddle now. One's gone down a little bit. Filling in the footings with Mark. Gonna do a muck heap, but we're not now. That is all water. I love this, it's my job. Do you like my onesie? Maggie? If this doesn't say professional, I don't know what will. What are you doing? Oh no, you're gonna be black. Oh, Lola, let her roll. Oh, Kitty. You're gonna need a jet wash. We have a new pet owl. He's on that post. I know it's really great filming, but cute. Our new water feature. Oh dear. Snuggly. I think that was the longest muck out I've done in my life. Super clean. I've spent all morning procrastinating. I think it's about lunchtime now. It's 11:45. Well, I've mucked out and I've just put the shopping away and that kind of thing. And I have, like I said before, a very long list, so I should probably stop talking and start doing. But I think I fancy some soup because it's still miserable outside. Still rather squelchy though. I'm going to do some more content creation today and some tidying of the office. Face off. I'm in my scruffs, but my friend's just got a puppy and we were going to do another shoot with someone else tonight and then we're not now. I just quickly messaged her as I was taking Dad into town. I was like, shall I come? So, puppy photo. Just got back and it was just such a lovely evening. Got a few photos. The light wasn't great, but I knew that was going to be the case because it was like gone 7 in the evening and it wasn't particularly sunny, as we know what this week's been like. But that's why I went, because catching a break from the rain was a good one. But I think weather is supposed to turn soon, which will be good. As photography, everything's just getting cancelled. Please excuse the face, I have a wedding later. What difference a couple of days makes. You gonna come in? She just had a bit of ice cream. I've just bunged on whatever I can find. Before. He's ready! Drag queen! Keys in our outfits. In our outfits. You in heaven. Doing tidying. It won't be on here long. Probably an hour tonight, as well as an hour today, and then tomorrow again. You're tidying, aren't you? I've been trusted to babysit, but they have a kitten, so it's all good.